People these days are driven by dreams of quick wealth. For them, easy money sounds like an opportunity, but for me, it sounds like a very dangerous temptation that can get them scammed. Welcome to a world where financial struggles, mounting bills, and unfulfilled dreams create the perfect breeding ground for scams that promise easy money. Everyday people are lured by the promise of escaping their financial woes and achieving a life of luxury. The images of opulence painted by scammers are captivating, painting a picture of success and happiness. But beneath these enticing illusions lies a web of deceit and manipulation. From flashy online advertisements to persuasive cold calls, scammers know how to exploit human vulnerabilities and desires. Today, we delve into the world of easy money scams, uncovering their tactics, revealing their hidden dangers, and empowering you to protect yourself. Join us as we unravel the mechanisms behind these schemes and equip you with the knowledge to stay vigilant. Understanding the temptation. Life's pressures and financial struggles can create vulnerability, making easy money scams appear as an enticing way out. We've all faced challenges, mounting bills, unexpected expenses, or unfulfilled dreams. In times of difficulty, the promise of quick riches can feel like a lifeline, a chance to break free from the chains of financial stress. The pressure to provide for ourselves and our loved ones can cloud our judgment, making us more susceptible to the seductive allure of these scams. As we watch our dreams seem just out of reach, the promise of an easy solution becomes almost irresistible. The illusion of easy money. In a world where instant gratification is prized, scammers exploit our desires for quick results. Online ads, emails, and phone calls promise the moon and the stars, luxury cars, exotic vacations, and financial freedom, all with minimal effort on our part. These tactics prey on our inherent optimism and the human tendency to believe that we're the exception, that this time it could be different. The flashy visuals and persuasive language used in these advertisements create an emotional response, bypassing rational thinking. Common types of easy money scams. A. Pyramid schemes. A pyramid scheme presents itself as a golden opportunity for financial success. With promises of huge returns for recruiting others into the scheme, it capitalizes on our natural desire to belong and succeed. The graphics explaining the pyramid structure reveal how the scheme works. Those at the top profit while those lower down struggle to recruit enough new participants. These schemes inevitably collapse as recruitment becomes unsustainable, leaving most participants with heavy financial losses. B. Ponzi schemes. Ponzi schemes take advantage of our trust in others. They promise consistent, high returns by using the money from new investors to pay off earlier ones. The visuals illustrating the flow of funds highlight how these scams are built on a fragile foundation of new investments covering old debts. Eventually, the house of cards crumbles, leaving investors with shattered dreams and empty pockets. See online investment scams. The rise of the digital age has given scammers new avenues to exploit. Fake investment websites abound, designed to mimic legitimate platforms. The screenshots of these websites serve as a warning of how easily scammers can create convincing facades. They promise impressive returns on investments that are too good to be true. Victims are left devastated as their hard-earned money disappears into the virtual void. Red flags to watch out for. A. Unrealistic promises. As the saying goes, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. This section highlights how scammers use extravagant claims to trigger our greed and desire for a quick fix. By preying on our wishful thinking, they draw us into their schemes without a second thought. B. Pressure to act quickly. Scammers create urgency to prevent us from thinking things through or seeking advice. A sequence of urgent messages demonstrates how they employ fear of missing out to rush our decision-making, leaving us vulnerable to making impulsive and uninformed choices. C. Request for upfront payments. A core characteristic of scams is the demand for upfront payments. This section delves into how scammers manipulate victims into parting with their money, convincing them that it's a necessary step toward unlocking incredible returns. The use of icons to represent money changing hands drives home the point that legitimate opportunities do not require us to pay money up front. Protecting yourself. A. Research and due diligence. Research is our best defense against scams. This segment emphasizes the importance of verifying the legitimacy of any opportunity before investing. B. Educating others. A friend warning another friend about a potential scam illustrates the power of spreading awareness. By educating those around us, we collectively build a shield against scammers. C. Reporting suspected scams. Reporting scams to relevant authorities is a crucial step in stopping scammers, and track screenshots of official reporting websites reinforce the idea that by taking action, we contribute to the prevention of future victimizations. Conclusion. The concluding shot of a vigilant person with a shield labeled awareness symbolizes the protection we gain from being informed. The narration reinforces the key message that easy money scams are traps that can lead to financial ruin. It's a call to action, urging viewers to remain vigilant, educate themselves and others, and shield themselves from the deceptive allure of quick riches.